Hi everyone, my name's Cassie Man, and today we're going to be opening the new black version of the Dualsense controller for the PS5. I got this in the mail not too long ago and just got the chance to unbox it now. So let's get right into it. Don't trust me with a knife. Alright. So yeah, this is the box. This is the black version, all Blackout. And if you haven't seen already, I posted a video of me unboxing the dark plates from D brand, and those are on my PS5 still. So if you want to check that video out, I'll put a link up above right here. All right. Plastic, garbage. I'm really excited for this one because it's gonna match my Blackout PS5. I was really excited about the white initially, but now that I have the black PS5, I'm like, you know what? It's so sleek. It's so awesome. So yeah, hopefully it won't get as dirty as quickly, because I find the white controllers get pretty dirty pretty fast. So in the box, pretty sure we just get the controller. I don't think there's anything else in there except for the controller. Oh my god. It's like freaking heaven. It feels so different. Maybe it's just because I've been using the white one longer, but it's like soft. I guess it's matte, so it's different, but and you still have like the little PlayStation logos. Oh no, yeah, the little teeny tiny PlayStation logos on the back. Wow. I mean, I'm sure it's gonna like pick up like sweat and stuff easily, but this feels amazing and it looks so good. Put it on this camera. It's probably too dark. It's so black. There we go. Now you can see it a little bit. What a beautiful controller. Yeah, I'm super happy about this already. Okay, let's see. Is there anything else in the box? Literally nothing. So yeah, this is what it looks like and feels like. I'll put some B-roll up now of the dark controller with the dark plates from D brand so you can see what they look like together. But overall, I think this is so cool. I'm so pumped about this and I can't wait to connect it. Let's get it set up. All right, so with your PlayStation on, when you first go to use your new controller, if you press the home button, you'll see that you have to connect it using a USB cable to register it. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, my new controller is plugged in and it's working. There we go. Now we should be able to unplug it and it should still work. And there we go. Our new controller is all set up.